Well, you may have noticed that I'm trying to emphasize how to follow and find instructions for each class. And so the main area that lists all 10 of the classes that are listed there is called the dashboard. That's the main area. And there's a blue banner, I call it a banner, up at the top of each class. And when you click on that, it'll take you to a class dashboard. And then that's where you find all the listings of the individual classes by the day that they're due. And when you click on one of those, there will be class instructions that come up, and it's very important to read those class instructions. For instance, in language, the class for today, talking about direct objects, also mentions what's coming up next week in the test on Tuesday. And the test on Tuesday is going to be over synonyms, homonyms, antonyms, and there's going to be an exercise in there where you have to look at a dictionary sheet and take some information off that dictionary sheet and answer some questions about that. And that'll be in the Friday packet that's coming out tomorrow. I do want to highlight, this is a very important thing for you to notice. Please, on page 271 in your language book, up in that blue section up there, what is a direct object? This is an important definition for you to get down. A direct object is a noun or a pronoun that follows an action verb. So if you have a sentence and I ask you to find the direct object in that sentence, but there's no action, there's no action verb, then it's not going to have a direct object. So the sentence has to have an action verb for it to have a direct object. The direct object is a noun or pronoun. It follows an action verb. It receives the action from that verb. And please remember this. It answers the question, what or whom? Okay, so that's just a couple of hints. There'll be questions coming up on tests and quizzes in the future about direct objects. And then even later on down the road, we'll get into indirect objects. But it's important to know the definition of a direct object. So please follow along with the class video and follow everything that they say. Don't cut those videos short. It's very important that you watch that whole video, really in all the classes. I know the temptation's there just to watch a portion of it and to go, well, I got it, I know. But there's a lot of valuable information in those class videos. Please watch them all the way through and participate in those.